Dear friends, welcome to Tech Nursery. In this small video, I am going to explain an important concept in JavaScript. First, let me write some lines of codes. Let sum is equal to 2 plus 2. Let is a keyword in JavaScript. It is reserved. Then sum is my variable name. Equal to is an operator in JavaScript. Then I wrote an expression 2 plus 2 plus is an addition operator in JavaScript for addition, arithmetic addition. Then this plus operator has two operands, 2 on the left side and 2 on the right side. Then semicolon, end of the line. Let me print the result on the terminal. Console.log sum, semicolon. Here I used log function on console object, console module, log function. I passed sum, my variable, to this log function. This log function print the value inside this sum variable on the terminal. Let me save again. Let me run the file. Node space study.js. This is my file name, study.js. Let me enter. We got the output 4. Now, let me copy the lines and paste it again. Instead of let sum, I rename to new sum, and in the console, I change sum to new sum. Here, this expression, I am going to change type of this right operand. Instead of to number data type, number primitive type, I am going to change it to string primitive type, string data type. Now, this plus addition operator in JavaScript accepts two operands, one on the left side, one on the right side, but different primitive types, different data types. This left operand, number 2, is a number primitive type, number data type. But this right operand number, which is a string data type, string primitive type in JavaScript. Here, number plus string. This plus operator accepts number data type and string data type. Both are primitive data types in JavaScript. Now, I am going to execute the file again. Check. We got two console.log outputs. One from line 4. It is 2 plus 2. We got 4 like before. Now, from line 10, we have another console.log new sum. It holds the value 22. Actually, it is in two different colors. It indicates that both are different data types on JavaScript. This console.log sum, which is 4 here, is number data type. This 22, which seems like a number, but actually it is string. Why? In order to understand these concepts, you have to understand two concepts in JavaScript. In order to understand these things, we have to first understand about two concepts in JavaScript. Let me open my notepad file. First one is dynamically typed language. JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. That means interpreter or compiler which is used in JavaScript engine assigns variables a type at a runtime based on the variable's value at the time. That means our variable sum or new sum get a type at a runtime only. When JavaScript engine executes this study.js file at execution time, at a runtime, these variables sum and new sum get a type, a data type. Before execution or before running the file, it doesn't have any type. That's why it says JavaScript is a dynamically typed language. Interpreter or compiler inside JavaScript engine assigns variables a type. Our variables are sum and new sum. Get a type at a runtime based on the variable's value at the time. When our file study.js executed inside JavaScript engine, the interpreter or compiler starts to execute it from the line 1. First it will see let. Okay, let is a reserved keyword in JavaScript. Then it will see sum. Sum is a variable. Then it has equal to operator. Then compiler or interpreter sees an expression with the plus operator. It executes it to 4. Then assign to sum. Okay. At that time, sum will get a data type number. Because 2 is a number, 2 is a number. By executing this expression, sum will get a data type number. That's why we are telling that JavaScript is dynamically typed language. But there are a lot of languages which are statically typed languages because it got its variables data type before execution, before runtime. Okay? But JavaScript variables gets its type at the runtime. Second concept is implicit type conversion. That means automatic or implicit conversion of values from one data type to another automatically or implicitly without intentionally changing. Automatically a values type change from one to another. Here in this case, when our compiler or interpreter starts to execute this study.js file, when we execute this command node space study.js, when we execute this command, interpreter or compiler inside JavaScript engine starts to execute this from the line 1. It will see let sum is equal to 2 plus 2 colon, then some new line characters, then it will see console.log of sum semicolon sum, then some new line characters, then at line it sees let again. Okay, it is a JavaScript keyword. Then it is see new sum, it is a variable. Then equal to operator. Okay, it is an operator in JavaScript. Then it see an expression. But here this one is JavaScript addition operator in JavaScript. On the left side it has a number data type value, but in the right side it has string data type, string primitive type. Not like this expression. Here both are number data type, but here different data type. One is number, another one is string. Here JavaScript engine or compiler or interpreter in JavaScript automatically convert or implicitly convert values from one data type to another. Here this value 2 is a value. This data type value will be converted from number to string implicitly, automatically, while executing this file at line 7. When compiler or interpreter reach at line 7, this value number data type converted to string. That is called implicit type coercion. Implicit type coercion. Coercion means automatically, implicitly convert type of one value from one type to another. This is number type value. It converted to string on runtime. So what happens when we use plus operator on both strings? It will concatenate. That means the result will be 2, 2. Concatenation will happen here due to this implicit type coercion. This number type value converted to string type. So both will be string now. So this plus operator acts for concatenation. So this console.log new sum will be 2, 2 instead of 4 as a number data type. It will print it 22 string. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.